Over the open landscapes of Australia flies its smallest falcon, the long-tailed, long-winged, inquisitive Nankeen Kestrel. Not much over 30 centimeters long and weighing under 300 grams, this delicate kestrel is a master of making itself at home, breeding on cliffs, on the ledges of buildings, and in the hollows of trees. The success of this little bird of prey is due in part to its ability to tolerate and thrive in a range of habitats and on a range of foods. Unlike other falcons, the kestrel does not rely on the incredible speeds reached by its peregrine cousin. This little falcon uses another hunting method. It can hover. Rapid wing beats combined with a rudder-like fan tail keep its head and body still. Selecting its prey from its aerial vantage point, the kestrel drops nearer to the ground until it is close enough to pounce. Small mammals, crickets, spiders, and grasshoppers are all fair game. While some insects and smaller birds are plucked out mid-air, most of the kestrel's prey is firmly on the ground. Usually breeding every year, Nankeen kestrels often mate for life, their chicks ready to leave the nest at just a month old. At first, they will follow their parents, flying to them and taking food at a perch. After 2 more months, they are ready to fend for themselves and begin the life of a bird on the wing. The hovering kestrel, the magnificent pelican, and the soaring seabirds, darting budgies, and the resplendent owls on silent wings. Falcons that fly faster than the turn of a head, eagles that carry off young wallabies, vultures that clean the African plains. Which is the true master of the sky?